Okay. All right. Okay, baking soda ready?
We
Wait, did you guys add the
no.
soap?
No.
Okay, let's add the soap because that will make more explosion.
And then that one is finished.
Okay.
No. Yeah. Purple. Okay, that one.
Okay, just a little bit.
Me too. And then lastly, this one, which is mine. And now for yours.
Squeeze. Okay.
Time for the vinegar.
Here's the vinegar. Oh, let's move this out of the way. Okay.
What about this pot? Are you gonna fill it in?
It's empty. Okay. All right, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Wow.
Ha ha ha.
Can you put it at the ground?
Ha ha ha. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. And this one, look at that. It's exploding.
It's not that much exploding. Why is it? Because of the kitchen soap.
Then you just have to mix it. Maybe here.
Oh, we forgot to mix it.
Mix. Here. Mix. Wow. Look at this. It's pink.
Oh, mine is a rainbow.
Wow. Rainbow colors.
Me too.
Mix.
Wow.
Maybe more vinegar. Let's see what happens when you add more.
Oh, look at this. Rainbow. Oh, me too.
Whoa, rainbow colors are coming out.
Rainbow.
Wow. Kitchen soup. Okay. Wow, look at his head. His head is exploding.
Yes, it is. Ow.
Mix.
It's acid.
It burns.
Yes, it burns.
It burns.
Yes. Don't touch it. Actually, I'm just joking. It's not acid. It's not.
Okay, guys, now this experiment is finished. Everybody's over and go wash your hands, please.
Look at this rainbow. It looks so pretty.
Yes, look at all those colors.
This one looks the most prettiest.
Yeah, very nice.
Green.
Very bright colors.
Green spinach.
These are vivid colors. It's throwing up. I'm throwing up rainbows. I have a headache. I'm angry. Oh my goodness.
Let's do the treasure hunt now then.
Okay, treasure hunt, and I have another game for you guys.
What is it?